A simple example of how to draw a sports exhaust system. First, I sketch out the general outline, the shape of the pipe and the can. It's important to get the proportions right. Add volume, cylinder transitions, curves. I work with simple strokes to define the shape. Detailing welds, flanges, and fasteners. Fine details add realism to the drawing. I paint highlights and shadows. The stainless steel reflects the light. So I add cool blue and warm tones at the transitions. The final touches are gradients and contrast.